Yo, what's good guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in today's video guys, we're going to be going through my recent pickups. It's been a few months since I've done this video, and I picked up a few things along the way that I want to show you guys. I feel like I say that every recent pickup videos, but it's true. I have some dope stuff, some fall stuff, some winter stuff, some basics. But before we get into the video guys, please smash that like button because it helps the channel more than you know, and subscribe if you haven't already. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So first pickups are my pieces from Taylor 2. They're an upcoming streetwear brand from Glasgow, Scotland, and this is definitely a brand to look out for. You guys know I love my heavyweight tees, and they absolutely nailed it with this one. Amazing heavyweight feel with the perfect oversized boxy fit. And I personally love the subtle branding in the front, which can pair nicely with a jacket or a coat. Another pickup from Taylor 2 are these 90s inspired straight leg pants. If you've been watching my videos of late, I just got into the straight leg / baggy pants style in the summer, and Taylor 2 definitely came with that heat with these. The first thing that came to mind when I felt these were quality. And here's the Taylor 2 outfit together. Add some silver accessories and you have yourself a clean, simple 90s inspired fit. Next two pieces I picked up are from Cold Laundry's new collection. It's the Enzo set in this gray color. The jacket here is this perfect boxy structured fit, and I love the longer in length sleeves and its distressed at the end cuffs. It's lightweight and breezy and is definitely an eye catcher. Here's a close-up look, slightly drop shoulder, and compared to my baby blue Enzo jacket from the summer collection, I can't specifically point out what, but this season's Enzo jacket is just a step up. Maybe it's the new fit of the piece and how it drapes on you, but I can definitely say Cold Laundry is just getting better each season. Next is the Enzo set pants. The trousers feature pleating at the waist for added texture and is a straight leg silhouette. And let me tell you, the drop on the shoe for these are perfect, and I do love the split detail at the bottom. Here's the set together, and yep, I'm in love with it. I love a monochromatic fit, and that's what Cold Laundry really thrives in, tonal fits, and I love how easy it is to mix in the pieces with your wardrobe. This set was only dropped 1 of 4 happening this season, and I'm hyped to see what's coming. Next piece is from Zara. This is a leather overshirt, relaxed fit overshirt with lapel collar and long sleeves. Been a big leather person this fall / winter season, and this is a Zara must cop, only coming in around like 70 bucks, but Zara sales come quick, so I'm sure it'll be half off soon. Next we have this cotton merino wool mix cable knit jumper. Damn, that was a lot. I love the subtle diagonal panels on this piece. It makes it an interesting one for sure. On the COS site, it says it's supposed to be oversized fit, but it's really not. But the details on this piece, like I said, makes it a really dope knit. So this denim jacket has been a favorite lately. It's been shown in a few videos already. It's from Uniqlo and it's actually only $40, so it's definitely a steal for the price. I love the color and the quality is on point. This is something I highly recommend if you're looking for a denim jacket. It also comes in gray and light blue. Next we have this ASOS design oversized knit in like this gray twist. Drop shoulders, rib trims, and an oversized fit. It's a chunky knit, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable wearing it, and it's definitely a relaxed and roomy knit as well. I never thought I'd be into leather pants, but here we are. Like I said, I'm all about trying different things and stepping out of your comfort zone, and this was that. I actually really like these pants. They're from ASOS, and they are the dad jeans in dark brown leather. Comes in a straight leg fit, which I like, and honestly, now I'm on the hunt for a black pair. Next, we have the black twill pants from Ronning. I have the stone twill pants and they are my favorite pair of pants. I just love the fit of them, so I got the same pair in black. Classic straight fit with a drop on the shoes that are just perfect for that baggy look. Last pickup, and a pickup I just love, these zip leather boots from COS. I love the Balenciaga boots, but I don't got Balenciaga money to spend right now, and these boots are the perfect dupe. Made from smooth leather, these boots are a pair y'all need to check out if this is your kind of style. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want more content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for ongoing support. Love y'all. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long